Hey guys, it's Deborah from Timeless Jewel by Deborah. Well, hopefully things are back to normal now. I have missed you guys so much. I have missed doing the videos. And I had taped a whole bunch of box openings. And right the week before the tornado hit, I had done all those videos, got them ready to go, and then the tornado hit, and I don't know what happened. Somehow I deleted them. So we're going to start with some fresh boxes. So this came to me, well, fresh for me. This is 1/13 of 2024 is when I received this. Swanee, Georgia. It's a 15-piece box. So, I have so missed doing videos. But the tornado damage is cleaned up. We lost a lot of trees, as you guys saw from those videos. We also had some other issues. You guys know how life can be. And then the other day, I did put up the video for Sydney's donation in honor of our channel members and all my subscribers, regardless if you do super chats, super stickers, just you being here, and any monies that I get from AdSense through YouTube, all that money goes to benefit the Ronald McDonald House. And this year we raised $558 from July 25th of last year to July 25th of this year, and we donated it to Tucson, Arizona, Ronald McDonald House. So that was awesome. You guys are the best. All right. All right, so let's see when I ordered this. This was ordered December 27th of 2023. All right. Well, it's nicely packed. That's nice. Let me get the box out of the way. Oh, I feel so out of practice. All right, well, it is nicely packed. Whoops. There's a whole bunch of packages here. So what we're supposed to do is get 15 items. And usually these are a little bit more curated. So I'm going to scooch these off. We're going to have a little ASMR with the package bubbling. So, okay, we got 1, 2, oh, see, look, I'm glad I looked. 3. And what I'll do is I will go through and I will assign a number to each piece. And then what you're going to do is you're going to email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com with that number. And then that's how you will claim it. So it looks like we got earrings. Ooh, I see something good in here. Yeah, these older boxes, I tell you, I'm glad I hoarded them. Because I haven't ordered boxes. I ordered one fun box. It was the horrible one. And that was mid-July. I hadn't ordered a box in almost 6 weeks. So these older ones are better. Tory, Burch, Kendra Scott. Make sure there's nothing in there. Great. Let's see, we've got a necklace, another really heavy necklace. I'm going to move those over a little bit. So I have gotten a bunch of new rings. Let me put you guys up. Can you see those lovelies right there? Oh my gosh, you guys. I think when I do the jewelry collab, I will show some of the stunning pieces that I have been collecting and curating for you guys. Those are Ethiopian opals. They are fantabulous. And some of them I have matching earrings for, and one I will have matching bracelet for. That will be here shortly. Okay, and these are all earrings. So what I'll do is take everything out. We'll assign a number. I'll give you all the information, and then you can email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. All right, I'll see you in 1 second. We'll get started. All right, so I got everything ready to go. Prices, information. We are going to get started, and don't forget, you're going to email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com with the item that you would like. All right, let's start with number 1. We have a pair of really cute gold tone textured earrings. These are sweet. They're not marked anywhere, but they are precious. So gold tone earrings, number 1, and those we will do for $4. Okay. Number 2, lots of earrings, are acrylic. We've seen this design before. They are open, so you'd want to probably put something on the back to hold those in. It is acrylic, and they are 2 1 3/4 inches long. And we'll go ahead and do these for $2. And that is number 2. Okay, number 3 are sweet. So these are wired on faux pearl gold tone double clip earrings. No maker's mark on these. These measure in at 2 inches. So number 3, we'll go ahead and do those for $4. They're really pretty and in nice condition. All right, number 4, we've had these many times in this same color. So these are Bobble Bar. They are blue and gold tone tassel earrings. They measure in at 3 inches. All of your beads are there. The backings are there. These will be number 4, and we'll do those for $4. Sounds good. Pretty. I like those. I don't really love too many tassels, but those ones I like. I think it's the color. So then we have a really pretty pair of J. Crew. I would call these a burnt orange red. These are beaded earrings. They measure in at 1.5 inches, and we'll do those J. Crew earrings for $8. So number 5. Okay, number 6. J. Crew blue earrings. These are fantabulous. They are 1 3/4 inches. All of your stones are there. They are new on the card. They measure in at 1 3/4 inches. So number 6, we'll do these J. Crew. Let's do these for $15. They are excellent earrings. Okay, number 7 is a little ring. It is unmarked. I believe it is Kendra Scott. I did look on her website and did a lot of information on this. I know some of her older pieces she did not mark, but it is a peachy pink. Let me go ahead and get you guys the measurement. I can't remember. This is a size 7. So the Kendra Scott unmarked faceted stone ring, size 7, will do for $8. All right, let's move that out of the way. Next up, we have a set. I'm going to move you guys up a little bit. So here are a pair of little black earrings, and you have a beaded necklace. I had it laid out. You guys know how that goes. All right, let me lay that out for you. So it's a really pretty little set. This is number 8. The necklace goes from 16 to 18 inches, and then you have the matching earrings. So for number 8, we'll go ahead and do $8. It's a cute set. Very nice condition. Okay. Number 9. I love this. I think it's so pretty. So you've got a Y design. Oh, I don't know what's on my sheet here. You've got a Y necklace with a really pretty little pearl. It's by Serafina. It is a coin pearl. It's 16 to 18 inches. Really an excellent quality. So number 9 for the Serafina. We'll do 12 on that. It's beautiful. Okay, number 10 is this beautiful loft necklace. I love loft jewelry. I just think they are beautiful and just, and it's mixed materials. You've got glass, you've got quartz, and you've got metal, and you've got some enamel. This is 20 inches, and it is in excellent condition. So for this loft mixed materials, we'll go ahead and do number 10. Let's do that one for 12 as well. All right, number 11. Carol Lee. I love Carol Lee jewelry. So we have faux pearl. I'm going to turn it sideways here. It'll show a little bit better. So you've got that beautiful hook. And right here it says Carol Lee. Absolutely gorgeous luster on this. They are faux pearls. And it measures in from 16 to 18 inches on this Carol Lee piece. We will go ahead and do that for 20. It's gorgeous. Let's see if I can get it in that bag. All right, so number 11. Number 12, Cavi. We have gotten Cavi brand before. Their jewelry can really sell nice and high. This is a beetle, I believe. Some were calling it a bee, some were calling it a fly. I don't know. I think it's just cool. So it is a long station necklace. Rinse and repeat. You've got the faux pearl, and it's Cavi. I guess maybe a scarab. It's 44 to 46 inches. We will go ahead and do that for $18, and that is number 12. Number 13 is Precious. I love this. So this is brown, and it's just an excellent piece. And I thought the rhinestones in here were just fabulous. They have such sparkle. So this is TAI. Now I came to find out that these are made with Swarovski crystals. So it is adjustable. It is bolo. It is in excellent condition. We will go ahead and do that for $25. It is a great brand. And if you've never heard of TAI, T-A-I, definitely put that on your list of things to know and to look up. Number 14 was the Kendra Scott bag. I put it back in here. So we've gotten this design before. I absolutely love this bracelet. I just think it's classy with this filigree and cut work. It is gold tone, excellent condition. Here is your Kendra Scott right there. So it will come with its bag. So how you'll claim this one is number 14, and we'll go ahead and do this. Oh, this is the Candace. We'll go ahead and do the Candace with its bag. Let's do 35. See, the struggle is real. Just getting stuck on there. Okay, there we go. I just had to get it over the lip. So if you're interested in the Kendra, claim it with number 14. All right, in the last piece, we saw that Tory Burch bag. I love this color. It's a purpley blue. And this is a wrap bracelet. So this one is blue patent leather, and I love it. So this one is the sunflower design. Really beautiful. Oh, love it. It is just gorgeous, and it has gold tone. It's in excellent condition. It may have been worn once or twice. I don't know. But it is a great Tory Burch piece. It does come with its bag. So for the Tory Burch, we'll go ahead and do 35 on this one as well, and you'll claim that by number 15. So, all right, you guys, don't forget, if you're interested in any of these pieces, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com. Give me the date and name of the video and the number of the item you're looking for, and I will keep a completed sold listing. So, all right, you guys, I will see you on the next one. And as always, please be well, take care of each other, and tell someone you love them today. It's really important. Bye, you guys.